Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to use groups to manage contacts in Xero. This feature is incredibly useful when you need to organize clients, suppliers, or any other contacts into categories, making it much easier to filter, search, and communicate with specific segments of your contact list. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, open your web browser and navigate to Xero.com. Once the page loads, you'll need to log into your Xero account using your email address and password. Make sure you're entering the correct credentials to access your account dashboard. After successfully logging in, you'll land on your Xero dashboard. From here, open the main menu and select Contacts from the top navigation bar. This will take you to your contact list page where you can view and manage all your contacts in one place. It's the central hub for organizing everyone you do business with. Now, click on All Contacts to display every single contact stored in your account. This view gives you complete visibility over your entire contact database, which is essential when you're about to create groups and assign contacts to them. Take a moment to review the list and identify which contacts you want to group together. Next, select the checkboxes next to the contacts you want to include in your new group. You can choose as many as you need, whether it's just a handful or dozens of contacts. This selection process is straightforward. Just click each checkbox beside the contact names you want to group. Don't worry if you miss any, you can always add more contacts to the group later. Once you've selected your contacts, look at the options bar that appears at the top of the contact list. From this bar, choose Add to Group. This opens up your grouping options and is where the magic happens in terms of organization. At this point, if a group already exists that fits your needs, you can simply click the name of that group to add your selected contacts to it. However, if you're creating a brand new group, choose Plus New Group. This will prompt Xero to let you create a fresh category tailored to your specific needs. Enter a name for the new group in the prompt that appears. For example, you might type something like wholesale clients or priority vendors, depending on how you want to categorize these contacts. Once you've entered the name, click Create. Xero will then process your request and add all your selected contacts into this newly created group. This grouping system makes it incredibly efficient to manage large contact lists and ensures you can quickly access the right people when you need them. And that's it. You've successfully organized your Xero contacts using groups, making your workflow smoother and more efficient. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.